What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video guys, we're going to be explaining to you 3 things you should know when you're in the thrift store, something that we should have known when we first started and something we should still do when we go to the thrift store, but we don't every time. So learn from our mistakes. Hope this video helps. Let's cut this intro. We'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin, we're a reselling couple, we do thrifting, retail arbitrage, a whole bunch of things, so check out all of our videos we've been documenting for the past like 5 or 6 months now, all on YouTube, so you guys should definitely check it all out. So today's video we wanted to give you 3 tips for thrifting, pretty much, for mainly just thrift stores. Some of these will go good with garage sales and other places like that, but this is mainly for thrift stores for us, so we're just gonna jump right into it. Number 1 is you need to know if the products that you're buying are worth your time or not. So for us, we actually got slapped in the face with this because we bought a bunch of toy bags from in the beginning and they just weren't even our time to list every single one individual.
They weren't worth our time.
Yeah, because I mean each one was going for like $1 maybe $2.
Nothing.
Literally nothing. It was paying more to ship them out.
Yeah.
And so nobody was buying them, so it was kind of just not even worth our time to list all of those. We have so many toys that aren't even listed because it's kind of just not even worth our time. Yeah,
like we only paid $3 for the bag, but we've been sitting on the bag for like 4 months now, and it's just cluttering up our store, so it really isn't just $4. Yeah. It's $4 plus the 4 months that it's been sitting here. Yeah. So they're not worth our time.
No. So number 2 on the list
is triple checking all of your items. Literally everything. So for example, we have clothes, electronics, toys, shoes, board games, puzzles,
everything, guys.
Literally,
I mean, that's something that we have a big problem with, is just checking stuff. We get clothes that kind of
just are great.
Yeah, maybe the zipper will be busted, or maybe the back will have like a stain on something. We've definitely had a bunch of obsessed with that, but all you gotta do is just triple check.
Learn from it too.
Yeah.
Which we haven't really done a lot of learning, but
I mean, we have. We check a lot more than what we used to.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, really, guys, you just really have to check everything. Check the zippers, check the sleeves, check the neck holes, check the back, check where the butt was. Because we actually had a hoodie the other day that the butt was just kind of like worn out, and it was just so weird. But that's a different story.
And just wow, what was I gonna say? Hold on. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay, so for number 3, actually, we have 2 things because we couldn't agree on which one we wanted to give more. She had her idea, I had my idea. I didn't like hers, she didn't like mine. So number 3 actually was her idea, and that was look for deals when you're in the thrift store. So I'll let her ramble on about that.
By that I mean get to know the days of like the schedule of when your Goodwill or your thrift store is having a sale. So like every Saturday we have dollar tag day, so we know to go on dollar tag day, you know. So and like I know there's places that have like Tuesdays and Wednesdays are like 25-cent, 50-cent days in some places. So you really just got to get familiar with the schedule of like how the sales run, because that's a really big help for us, is knowing when we're gonna pay the cheapest prices at whatever. So that was my spiel. And
then for my number 4, I guess we'll call it, we'll give you guys a little bonus in this video, so is get to know the employees and the workers there. So sometimes, I mean, I've heard from other people is that their employees will ask them if they want to check some stuff in the back that nobody's ever seen, or they'll have just deals that nobody else has seen yet. So get to know your workers. For us, I mean, we've been getting pretty friendly with them, and they're just nice to us now, and it's just no problem.
Filming.
I mean, like they're comfortable with us filming and everything, so that's my big thing. So leave in the comments down below if you thought Christina's tip was better or my tip. I believe it was my tip.
I literally, before you even got that out of your mouth, I knew you were gonna say that.
So that was our tips, guys, for when you're thrifting. We hope this helps you. And again, those can go for estate sales, garage sales. Maybe not with the deals or getting to know the employees. But that was our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed. We hope to help you. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions or if you want to share some love. And consider subscribing if you're new. We got daily contents coming, so videos every day, so you can't get bored with us. So yeah, that was our video. Go crush it. Have a good day or night whenever you're watching. Peace. Go punch it.
Me.
Slowest punch ever.
Fine.
What's going on, YouTube? So it's Martin
And Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. Get your head. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be explaining to you 3 things that you should know. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be explaining to you 3 things you should know when you're in the thrift store. Something that we should have known when we first started thrifting, and something we should still do when we go to the thrift store, but we don't every time. So we learn from our mistakes. Hope this video helps. Let's cut this intro. We'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back.